Hi there, welcome back to your math workshop for today. So we're going to be starting our last unit of the school year, and this one's going to be working on multiplication and division again. So today we're going to start off by reviewing our division one more time. So let's read the story problem to help us begin. So there are 24 students in Ms. Smith's class. She wants to place them into 4 equal groups. How many students are in each group? So I want you first to think about what are the different equations we could write in order to represent this problem. So one way I could do this, I could say, well, there are 24 students all together in the class. I know that there are 4 equal groups that we're going to divide them up into, right? We need to figure out how many people are going to be in each group. Another way we could write this, we could say, well, there are 24 people. I know I'm going to divide them into groups, but I don't know how many kids are in each group yet. But there are 4 equal groups. I want to introduce another way that you could write this one up here. So 24 divided by 4. There's one more way we could write this. So we could say 24 divided by 4 is equal to what? So when you see this symbol here, that means divided by. So 24, the number here is the one we start with. The number on this side is the one we're dividing. And then you would write your answer right up top here. Just a little introduction in case you want to practice that. Okay, so in our last multiplication and division unit, we were talking quite a bit about the relationship between the two. So the relationship between multiplication and division. So is there also then a multiplication equation you could write in order to represent this? Because I know some of you were using multiplication to solve your division problems. So yeah, you could say, all right, well, 4 groups times how many students in each group will get me to 24 students altogether. Or you could say, how many students should I put in each group? Because there are 4 groups, and I need to get to 24. So you could say 4 times what gets me to 24, or what times 4 gets me to 24. Okay, so next I'm going to just practice. I just want to show you how we could solve this. If, let's say, you know that, I know some of you know the answer, but instead of right away throwing the answer down, I want us to think how we could draw this out to explain to someone else that may not know how to do this. How could we draw this out? So one way I noticed some of you were working, you were drawing circles in order to represent your groups. So I'm going to try that one to start. So I'm going to say there are 4 groups, so I'm going to need 4 circles. Pretend like these circles are equal in size because we know they need equal groups. Okay. So 4 equal groups. I know that I can put at least two students in each group. So I'm going to say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Not to 24 yet. I'm going to keep going. Do it again. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. And keep going. 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. All right. We've divvied up all 24 of our students into our 4 groups. And how many students are in each group? That's right. There are 6 students in each group. So we know that 24 divided by 4 is equal to 6. Beautiful. So as you're working on your worksheet today, I know that some of you may already know the answers and how to solve them right away, but I want you with at least one of the problems to practice drawing it out as if you were going to explain to someone how you could solve the problem, how you could use a picture in order to help you solve the problem. Make sure you write an equation to help you. Show your work. Have fun. Good luck, and I'll see you next time.